Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Carlyle, Saskatchewan, a lively community in the southeast corner of the province. Carlyle was first settled in the early 1900s as the railway brought new opportunities to the prairies. The town quickly became a key service centre for surrounding farms and villages. It was named after the Scottish historian and essayist Thomas Carlyle, whose work was well known at the time. Agriculture has long been at the heart of Carlyle, with wheat, canola, and cattle ranching shaping its history. The town's mix of history, natural beauty, and small-town charm make it a special place to experience. Whether you are here for a quick stop or a longer stay, Carlyle will make you feel right at home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Carlyle, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.